Hi there. I'm so glad that you made it here. Today, I'd like to make you aware that you don't need to be seeking or waiting for somebody to prescribe you something all the time. Because you are made in God's beautiful image and in God's flavor, this means you possess the ability to tap into your God mode and heal yourself mentally, physically, and spiritually. Also, you can do the same with those around you, because everything you need is already in your proximity and exists for you. All power is yours to exercise so you can lay hands and heal the sick. So start with yourself. Listen and follow your intuition, because that is God guiding you to a healed, happier version of yourself. Happy healing.